Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz 2020. You are watching the sixth match here in round one. Scores are Bellefield High on 22 points, Wolmer's Girls on 35 points. Wolmer's Girls picked up a point during the break. The judges decided to accept the answer to their question. Where exactly in Kingston, Jamaica is the cenotaph located? It is indeed at Wolmer's Boys School grounds, on the Wolmer's Boys School grounds, also National Heroes Park. So with that, we get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified, please, before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for each correct answer, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers that could put you one step closer to winning the championship. May I please have 4 minutes on the clock? And we begin with Bible knowledge. What was the name of the food given by God to the Israelites? Bellefield High.
Manna.
When they were in the wilderness, correct. Biology, what is the name for a form of cell death in which a programmed sequence of events leads to the elimination of cells without releasing harmful substances into the surrounding area? Apoptosis. English language, give an English phrase including the word salt, which means to accept something with a doubt or misgiving. Wolmer's Girls?
To take with a grain of salt.
To take with a grain of salt.
Correct. Local affairs, look on the screen and identify this person, please. Wolmer's Girls.
Lisa Hannah.
Correct. Chemistry, 3s2, 3p3 is the electronic configuration of which element? Phosphorus. Music and audio one teams, listen to the clip and give the title of this song, please. Bellefield High.
Who knows?
That's right. General knowledge, what country has had prime ministers named Eden, Peel, Law, Brown and Heath? United Kingdom or Great Britain or England? Spanish, translate the following question to English. ¿Te gusta leer? Wolmer's Girls.
Do you like to read?
Do you like to read?
That's right. Geography, what is the name for decayed vegetation and plant matter which have been decomposed by bacterial action? Bellefield.
Humus.
Correct. Theatre and cinema, a visual one teams. Look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Wolmer's Girls.
Boris Kodjo. Boris Kodjo.
Boris Kodjo.
Good. Information technology. What programming language developed by Sun Microsystems did U.S. antitrust lawyers claim Microsoft attempted to use its monopoly to crush? That's Java. History, what is the name given to the group of men that drafted the U.S. Declaration of Independence and built a new system of government under the Constitution? They're known as the Founding Fathers. Mathematics, what is the value of 121 raised to the power of 3 over 2? (1,331). Physics, what are sound waves with frequencies higher than the upper audible Wolmer's Girls?
Hypersonic.
Ultrasound is what we were looking for. Human hearing. Sport of visual, look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Bellefield High. West Indies cricketer, correct. Jamaican heritage, complete the Jamaican proverb, water more than. Bellefield.
Flower.
Good. French, what specific part of the body is la gorge? Wolmer's.
The throat.
Correct. Literature, who wrote the novel It Begins with Tears? Dr. Opal Palmer Adisa. Art, which painting by Pablo Picasso depicts an elderly musician weakly hunched over his Wolmer's Girls?
The old musician.
The old musician. The old guitarist.
The old guitarist musician came first. Judges will not accept Bible knowledge. In the Bible, who immediately preceded Rehoboam as Bellefield?
Solomon.
Good. King of Israel. Biology. Children with the rare genetic disease phenylketonuria must avoid which food group? Proteins. English language, give a 6-letter word starting with T, which is used as an acknowledgement during a discussion of a clever point made at one's expense by another person. And we won't have time to hear the answer to that, which is touche. That bell signifies the end of the final challenge, and indeed the end of the match. The scores look to be Wolmer's girls on 41 points, Bellefield High on 34. We will double-check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.